Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Cybertruck. First, ensure your phone key is with you or use the key card to unlock and enter. Once inside, press the brake pedal to power up the vehicle's systems. Take a moment to adjust your seat, mirrors, and the unique steering yoke to your preferred driving position for maximum comfort and safety. The Cybertruck's driving controls are intuitive. Use the large central touchscreen to select your gear, drive, reverse, or park. The innovative steering yoke offers precise control through its steer-by-wire system, making maneuvers smooth. You'll find the turn signals and horn conveniently located directly on the yoke for easy access while driving. The Cybertruck is packed with advanced features. You can engage autopilot or full self-driving beta through the stock or touchscreen for assisted driving. Easily adjust the adaptive air suspension height and select different drive modes to optimize performance for various terrains. Always keep an eye on your battery range and available charging options displayed prominently. When you're ready to park, simply select Park on the touchscreen. For extra security, especially on inclines, engage the electronic parking brake. Before exiting, double-check that all doors are securely closed. The Cybertruck will automatically lock when you walk away with your phone key, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.